If you're a busy guy, then chances are you're dealing with work, school, family, hobbies, friends, everything. Nowadays, it seems like we're all just running around like chickens with our heads cut off. And if there's one thing you do not want to add to your pile of to-dos every single day, it's your beard. So today we're going to talk about which beards are high maintenance, which beards are low maintenance, and the kind of maintenance that each beard requires based on beard length. We're going to be covering a wide array of beard length, anywhere from clean shaven to stubble to short, medium, and long beards out there. And we're also going to be covering the tools you'll need for each beard based on the required maintenance you're going to have to do to keep that beard looking relatively clean and sharp. And we created a beard maintenance scale for you guys so you can see exactly where each beard lands, as well as being clean shaven lands in reference. The scale's from 1 through 10, with 1 being practically no maintenance and 10 being the most maintenance. So let's start with being clean shaven. Yes, being clean shaven is a beard choice because guess what? Having no beard is still a beard choice of some sort. And you are going to have to shave if you want to avoid the stubble beard territory anyway, so it's kind of a choice like that. The pro of shaving every day is that it's easy and you know exactly what needs to be done, right? You can go everywhere around your face, you can shave everything. It's the simplest way to go. The con of shaving every day is that you have to shave every day. It's kind of a lengthy and cumbersome process. You have to deal with cuts and burns, and you have to constantly buy razor blades or an aftershave or shave gel or shave cream. And it's kind of an ordeal because if you miss a day, you end up looking like you just rolled out of bed. So in order to be clean shaven every day, you guys know the drill. You need your razors every day. You need your shaving gel, shaving cream every day. And for all those reasons, and because you have to shave every day to maintain that look, and because of the process itself, we're gonna put it about average in terms of maintenance. So we're gonna give it a 5 out of 10 on the beard maintenance scale. Now let's jump from being clean shaven to having a stubble beard and where that lands. Stubble is the beginning of every man's bearded journey. And we're defining stubble as anything from right past where the hair begins to extend from the skin to up to about 0.5 inches in length. Overall, to keep a stubble beard looking presentable in that length, you need a few things. First of all, you need hydration, just to keep the beard healthy and soft itself. And you need something that'll help you occasionally trim your beard every once in a while to keep it that way. So we're gonna say you need an electric trimmer or electric razor at least once a month. Since beard hair tends to grow at a rate of about 1/2 inch a month, we kind of calculated or figured that you wouldn't need to trim or shave any more than that, especially if you let it grow out for long periods of time, right until you reach short beard territory and then take it back from the beginning. You're still gonna need a razor. That's just so you can trim or shave your neckline and your cheek line up here so you can give it that kind of sharp look. And you're going to need beard oil for the hydration and health of your hair every single day to keep it soft and keep it from being tough enough and coarse enough to start irritating your skin. And so because you really don't have to worry about these things every single day, like trimming or shaving or all that stuff, and because when you do trim or shave, you can trim everything evenly because it's not really a long enough beard style for you to have to selectively trim certain parts of the beard to shape it, then we'll give it a 3 out of 10 on the beard maintenance scale. Stubble beards are pretty low maintenance. Now let's jump into the short beard maintenance. Now we've defined short beards just for the sake of this topic itself as anything between 0.5 to 1 inches in length. That is, if you take one of your beard hairs on average and stretch it out, it'll be 0.5 to 1 inch. Shorter beards require a bit more maintenance than stubble beards do, and that is because your hair is now long enough to require certain cleaning things, certain cleaning products. Things like beard brushes, which help you remove debris and spread oils, and things like beard wash, because your beard, if it's longer than a stubble length, will need to be washed because it's long enough to overlap itself and to trap some debris underneath. So what you'll need to do is use beard wash every 2 to 3 days. Use an electric trimmer every once in a while just to keep your beard the right length. Use a razor because your beard is still not long enough to cover your neckline, so you're gonna have to trim that up, and your cheek line. You're gonna need beard oil as well for hydration and health. You're also gonna need that beard brush I was talking about earlier to help spread the oils and to dig underneath, exfoliate the skin, and remove any skin cells, debris, dirt, whatever. And potentially, just potentially, depending on the way your beard hair is, you may need some scissors, some small grooming scissors in order to trim away flyaways. I don't really have to deal with that too much just because my beard tends to be pretty straightforward. My hair lies very straight, but if you have very curly beard hair, this may be a bigger issue. So because of the increased time frame between beard trims, but also that you need more beard products in order to manage everything, yet you're still not having to do everything every day, we're giving this another average on the beard maintenance scale. We're giving it a 5 out of 10. Now you may be surprised to know that the next beard, the medium length beard, is going to be the highest on the terms of the maintenance scale, and let me explain why. And this is because medium beards not only need to be trimmed but also shaped. The hair is then long enough not to follow the natural shape of your face like a short beard does, but also not long enough for the weight of the hair on the ends to pull it in line with each other. It's also not long enough to completely cover your neck, meaning you still will have to shave your neck. Also, medium beards do tend to suffer a lot from tangles because those beard hairs are longer, which means you're going to require a beard comb as well as a beard brush. So here's what you're gonna have to do, and this is why medium beards are such high maintenance. You're gonna start with a beard wash every 2 to 3 days like before. You're gonna have to use an electric trimmer or something like that to shape the beard itself at least every 2 weeks. You're then gonna have to use a razor to shave off your neckline and your cheek line every day or every other day, as well as beard oil to keep your beard soft and healthy, as well as a beard brush to remove debris and exfoliate the skin underneath, as well as a beard comb to get rid of tangles, because the beard brush has flexible bristles which don't dig through the tangles and they just kind of bend around them. You're also going to need beard balm or beard mustache wax to keep those flyaways in check, since now the beard is long enough for the flyaways to appear just randomly throughout the day. Having a styling product like that helps manage that before your next kind of scissor trimming cycle for your flyaways. And then, which brings us to the next thing, which is your grooming scissors, which helps you manage the flyaways at least every week. So because you need the increased tools and the products that are necessary to keep your beard looking sharp, and you have the increased responsibility of trimming and shaping your beard, we give the medium beard an 8 out of 10 on the maintenance scale. You may be then wondering, if this is the highest, maintenance beard that we're talking about today, then what would possibly be a 10 out of 10 on the maintenance scale? And that's something like this, something very specialty, something that has to be kept up every single day, like what I'm showing you on the screen here. Now let's talk about long beards. Long beards are an interesting case. Anyone I think out there might assume that long beards require the most maintenance because there's the most beard there. And we're defining long beards as anything 3 inches and above of individual hair length. The thing about long beards is that they're typically long enough for the weight of the beard to keep everything in line with each other. And also, because they're so long, you can forego the whole having to shave your neckline thing. The only kind of extra bit of maintenance that a long beard requires is extra time and the actual quantity of extra product you use to keep the beard clean. So overall, you're still going to want to use that beard wash every 2 to 3 days. You are going to want to use your electric trimmer to shape your beard, but really just depending on however long amount of time you need to do that. If you're growing your beard out continuously as long as it can get, you really don't have to worry about anything like that. But if you're not, I mean, you could go months really without there being a huge noticeable difference in your beard. You're going to want to use a razor just on your cheek line, which is really easy and simple and fast. You're still going to want to use beard oil and a good amount of it just to keep the whole beard hydrated. You're going to want to use a beard brush to exfoliate the skin underneath, and a beard comb definitely to get rid of any potential tangles. And then optionally, you can use beard balm or beard mustache wax if you really do still suffer from flyaways for some reason. You can use that to just kind of keep everything in line. So due to the decreased worry about flyaways in general of a longer beard, and because you don't have to do as much shaving all the time with a longer beard, you just kind of have to keep up with more cleaning stuff, we're gonna end up giving the long beard a 7 out of 10 on the maintenance scale, a bit less than you would have with a medium length beard. So to answer your question overall, are beards high maintenance? The answer is depends on the kind of beard you have and the kind of look you want and how much goes into getting that look. If you got a stubble beard, that's a really low maintenance beard that you really don't have to take all that great care of other than trimming the lines of the beard maybe. But if you have a medium length beard, then chances are you're going to have to not only keep it clean, but keep it tidy. You're gonna have to trim the beard length, and you're gonna have to sculpt the beard shape you want, because the beard hairs are long enough not to follow the natural shape of your face like a short beard might, but not long enough for everything to weigh down itself and keep everything in line, like you would have with a longer beard. With a medium length beard, you're also going to need special tools like beard combs to get rid of tangles, beard brushes to clean and exfoliate the skin underneath your beard, as well as your general beard oil, which goes without saying, and maybe beard balm or beard and mustache wax, which help keep the beard in line and are more kind of like styling products instead of beard health products. Overall, that's it. By now you should recognize which beards are high maintenance, which beards are low maintenance, which one is right for you. We don't want to put anyone off of any kind of beard out there that they want to rock. We just want to give you guys an idea of what it's going to be like really living with the type of beard that you may be interested in. If you guys like this video, please smash the like and subscribe button. I've got tons more videos coming out for you guys every single week. If you want the one-stop shop for pretty much all your beard grooming products out there, head over to voltgrooming.com. We've got tons of cool stuff, a lot of natural, organic stuff, premium stuff that you can even refill with refill packs, which lower the cost of the product. So just to give you guys an idea, one refill pack is 900 milliliters. You can fill a full size, the large size bottle of shave gel, which is 150 milliliters, was that 6 times? And that's like 6 full bottles of shave gel right there that you can get for like 30 bucks, which is a killer deal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, put those in the comments below. We'd love to get back to you, and I will see you guys in the next video.